Hello and welcome back. It's Gab channel. Now I will show you
How to record your screen.
how to record your screen. First, go to Play App Store and I don't have a Wi-Fi. Yeah. Yeah.
And then
Search Mobizen.
download these two apps.
Downloads this and this. And then open, download first and open, and then here we go. And this. If you download Mobizen and here, this. Ano? Press this
And then
this. Press this. Okay. And thank you for watching. And this is my cousin.
and goodbye, and like and share and subscribe. Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Apo,